Hello everyone, MPX Auto is James here. How are you today? In this video, we would like to share the work that we finished in another Land Cruiser 79 series. This Land Cruiser dual cab, gunmetal color, beautiful, and comes with the standard radio. So currently it is already replaced with the new upgrade of the 9-inch full setup premium model, including the Full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera. And as you know, we introduced in other video before we do the job, this car 2023, and it come with fairly new, odometer, just more than 10,000 K, and at this time is already been fit with a whole new system here, beautiful like factory fit, 9-inch quad LED, wireless Apple Carplay, wireless Android Auto, and GPS, Bluetooth, USB, and what else? It is fit with a new upgrade of the 2 Pioneer speaker into the factory location. Okay, so currently the speaker already been upgraded directly there with our import Pioneer speaker, which is not available here in Australia. So the sound is much better than it was before, even though the speaker is in a small form, but it is much better than the factory one. And we also fit in a 3 dash camera recorder, and you can see that our dash camera staying here, and you can quickly check that it has 1 camera, second inner camera, and the third camera at the back end. The third camera we mounted along the chassis. And also talking about the reverse camera, we actually mount and relocate the reverse camera at the back end. We relocate the number plate, and we fit the new camera in a better place than the standard one. So at this moment the new reverse camera already in the best position, and it will have to see the rear end very well centralized, and have to see the turbo. So soon after this we will show up our camera, which show up at the back end, very nice. So talking about the front section, we actually have the 2 USB fit nicely in the glove box, securely fit there, and we already fit the external microphone nicely on the eye-peeler cover here. And now looking to do the reverse, we don't move the car, okay, we just get the reverse cameras working, and you can see this the turbo is right here on the bottom of the screen, and what that means is when you reverse you will see the turbo, and if you do with the boat or the caravan or the trailer towing, you can actually reverse the car, and you can align the turbo in the position that it will have to see very well from here. That's much better and easier when you towing thing. So yes, that is about our reverse camera, and it works straight, and it works like this, and it comes back to the front screen of the application where it was. Alright, if you want to know actually where our camera stay, we actually can introduce it now. Okay, here you go. You can see this is the frame before that the number plate stay, and then we relocate the number plate frame backward, and then we probably fit our new camera over there. This metal case, waterproof, shockproof, super wide angle, anti-glare, and super night vision one. Okay, very very nice. So it's the very nice setup for the car at this point, and it's all good, it's all done, and it's all set. So waiting for the collection. So thanks again for watching, and if you like the videos, if you like our work, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. We appreciate that, and we'll see you in another video soon.